Okay, welcome to lecture number 57. Let us begin with some basic constructions. Suppose a circle is given to you and you are required to find out the center of this circle. Suppose the center is missing. Can we find it out? So think about it. Else listen. Now circle will have a property that if we join any chord of circle and draw perpendicular bisector of that chord, it will pass through center. So we draw any chord of the circle, draw its perpendicular bisector, it will be passing through center. We draw another chord of circle and draw its perpendicular bisector, it will also pass through center. So if we perform this procedure 2 times, draw chord and its perpendicular bisector, we will get the center of the circle. Now if the circle is given to you and point on the circle is given, can we construct a tangent to this circle at passing through this point? Why? At this point, can we construct a tangent? Okay, so we know that the radius segment is perpendicular to the tangent. So we draw radius segment and at this end we construct a perpendicular line. Now how do we construct a perpendicular line at this stage? At this point, so extend this line a little bit, take this point as a center, cut 2 arcs at equidistance, and from this you cut an arc here with the same distance, with same or different distance you get these 2 arcs done and join that line. You will get the tangent to the circle passing through given point. Now the third important construction is drawing a tangent or maybe tangents to circle passing through point which is outside P. So in this case it is little difficult to find out at exactly which point this tangent is going to meet the circle. If that point is known, then we can join that point directly with P and complete our construction. But the point is not known. Therefore, we start decorating this figure. We have a circle, so we have center. We have center, let center be M, join MP. And then we know that if at all if we are successful in drawing tangent, then it will be tangent to radius segment. It is perpendicular to radius segment at this point. So we suppose complete this construction, then the figure would look like this. And now we do not know where this point A is, but we definitely know distance MA, distance MP is also known, and this angle is 90 degree, that is also known. So if we assume that our construction is complete, we draw the figure, we decorate it, we write down all the properties involved in this figure such that this is 90 degree, this is center joining the point, etc. And we find that this is the right angle triangle. So we might not be able to construct tangent directly, but definitely we can construct right angle triangle AMP, because in this right angle triangle, one angle A is 90 which is given to us, side MA is given to us, and hypotenuse is given to us which is MP. So if we construct triangle AMP using previous lectures RHS construction, we will get. So how to do it? Basically MP, you join MP, get the midpoint, perpendicular, draw perpendicular bisector, join it, so you get midpoint. Using this midpoint you draw semicircle, or if you want both the tangents you draw complete circle. Wherever that circle intersects the given circle, these are the points where the tangent is going to be tangent to the circle. So point A, P, join PA, you get one tangent, join PB, you get another tangent. So this is what is the construction for drawing tangent from outside the point of given to the circle. Now the next construction in this lecture is basically a circle is given to you and a line is given to you. Now we are supposed to construct tangents to the circle which are parallel to this line, right? So we start processing. First we decorate the figure, we get all the properties in place, and then we will do construction. So the figure that you draw, through which you come to know all the properties of required construction, is called auxiliary figure. So auxiliary figure you complete the construction, as if the construction is complete, then can you discover some properties in that particular diagram or not? You check, note down all the properties and connect them, and then you might be able to solve the given construction. So in this case, circle is known, therefore center is known. So eventually through center we can draw perpendicular line to the given line, and because our tangent is going to be perpendicular to that segment, the perpendicular line to the given line passing through M intersects circle at some point, and that point is going to be useful to us because at that point if we draw tangent, it will be parallel to this line. So the procedure is, from M you take any radius, cut two arcs, okay, those are the two equidistant points from M. From these 2 points you take any distance and get one more equidistant point. So you are creating a kite basically and join this. Now you are sure that this line is perpendicular to the given line. Moreover, it intersects the circle, say at A and B, okay, and this perpendicular bisector is also passing through center of the circle. So MA is a radius segment. Now if we draw tangent, I mean line perpendicular to MA at A, it will be tangent to the circle and also it will be parallel to the given line. Similarly, we can draw another perpendicular line at B to radius segment MB, and that line also is going to be tangent to the circle. So this is what is going to be final construction. So this line and this line, these are the two lines which are going to be parallel to given line L and tangent to the given circle. Okay, so I am just explaining you how to solve this construction. As far as presenting the construction is concerned, suppose the construction problem is there in the examination, then what all things you must do are very well mentioned here. First, draw auxiliary figure, decorate that proper particular figure, draw suitable new points, lines, segments, circles which connect the given information to each other. The way we have drawn a perpendicular bisector which connects this 90-degree information with the circle and the given line. Decorate the figure, clearly indicate any congruences or perpendicularities or parallelness that is there. We have indicated perpendicularity here, and enlist all the observations and then step by step actually perform the construction using straightedge and compass, and then write down the procedure of completing that construction, and then only your solving construction problem is completely over. So in this lecture we have demonstrated everything that is required to solve this construction. The auxiliary figure is there, then the procedure is there, then the figure by how it will look by actual construction is also given there. So and there is homework. 5 construction homeworks are given to you to construct different types of circles. So I hope you will try your level best to solve those 5 constructions, and that is all in lecture number 57. See you in lecture 58. Thank you.